Now, hello students. Now, welcome to the Rashmi Singh's classes. Now, today topic is the environment part 1. This is the topic of class 7. Now, the first question comes in our mind. What is environment? Whatever we see around our surrounding is called environment. It means anything that surrounds us is called environment. Anything means anything. Means building, mountains, and table, chair, anything that surrounds us, that is called our environment. And environment, two types of objects surrounds us. Number one is natural objects and the second is man-made objects. The natural objects means which is provided by the nature. For example, air, water, sun, and the man-made objects means the road, building, flyovers, bridges, etc. Clear? And one important thing that the environment gives us the life support system. Without environment we cannot survive. For example, water. Water for drink, air for breathe, and food for eating, and the land for live. Means land where we live, and we do the various things on the land. For example, agriculture, mining, setting up industries, construction of roads, bridges, flyovers. That's why land is so important. So we can say the environment is our life support system. Now come to the components. So what are the components of environment? There are three components of environment. Three components of environment: natural environment, man-made environment, and human environment. Clear? In this session, we will cover only the natural environment. Clear? Now these two will cover in next session. So natural environment again bifurcated into biotech and abiotic environment. Biotech environment means it is related to the living things. Living things means जिसके अंदर life होती है. For example, human beings, plants and animals. That all three comes in this biotech category. And abiotic means it is related to the non-living things. For examples, air, water, land, sun, moon, etc. Clear? Biotech and abiotic. Clear? As I told you, we will cover only the natural environment. Now look at the board. Natural environment divided into the three category: lithosphere, and hydrosphere, and third one is atmosphere. These three domains comes in this natural environment. So what is lithosphere? Lithosphere means the crust of the earth. Crust means the top layer or the hard layer is known as lithosphere. And lithosphere is very important of us, and it comprises many type of landforms, that mountain, valleys and plateaus, and it is very useful to us for agriculture purpose, mining purpose, and construction of roads and bridges, etc. That's why lithosphere is very, very important. And the second is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means it consists of all water bodies. All water bodies means all oceans, rivers, ponds, canals, and even the underground water also. Clear? And I want to explain one more thing, that 71% earth is covered with water. That's why our earth is known as the watery planet also. only the 3% fresh water is available on the earth and 2% is under the snow. Only the 1% water is available as fresh water. So the hydrosphere means the water is very precious to us. Clear to everyone? And the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? A thin layer of air surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. And atmosphere is again so important for us because the ozone layer of the atmosphere, which helps us to protect from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. And the 78% we have the nitrogen. Means the atmosphere consists of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. And only in 1% the other gases. Other gases means the carbon dioxide, helium, argon, and the dust particle and water particles comes in this atmosphere. Clear to everyone? Now this all three domains I'll explain with the help of diagram. This is lithosphere, the hard surface of the earth, and this is hydrosphere, all the water bodies on the earth, and this is atmosphere. These are the three important domains of the earth in the natural environment. And this is the fourth one. This area. Clear? This area is known as biosphere. And biosphere is very important. Why this is so important? Because the life exists here. Life exists only in this area. So what is biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere interact with each other. And because of this biosphere, our earth is considered as a unique planet. क्योंकि ये biosphere is not present in other planets. That's why earth is a unique planet, because earth has biosphere where the life exists. Clear to everyone? And in this area, the organism from the microscopic organism and the biggest animal, whale, they exist in only in this area. Nobody wants to live in this lithosphere because the mountains, nobody wants to go to the mountain for living purpose or for residential area. And hydrosphere, nobody wants to construct the house. And atmosphere, it's not possible. So this is the area biosphere which makes the earth unique. Clear to everyone? Now in this session we have complete what is environment. The correct definition of the environment is the places, means जो भी जगह है जो हमको दिखाई पड़ रही है, जो हमारे अगल बगल है, surrounds us, things, चीजें जो हैं, people means the human beings, and the nature. Nature means the mountain, plateaus, valleys and rivers that surrounds any living organism is called environment. Clear to everyone? And environment consists of two things, non-living things and living things, which is known as biotech and abiotic. And in this session we complete only the natural environment. Natural environment is divided into the three domains: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And where these three, atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere, interact with each other, that small area is known as biosphere. And this is the area where the life exists. So this all together is known as natural environment. Clear to everyone? I think now it's very easy to understand all these things. और अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया बेटा, you just tell me and I'll explain it again in the second part of environment. और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो you like the video and subscribe it also so that you will get the others notification. Clear? Now, thank you. And one more thing, press the bell icon also. Clear? Okay, thank you, beta.